There's a new king of the road, and it's not what you think. Forget the rumbling engines and dusty tailgates, because today we're retaking a discerning look at a trend that's turning heads and wallets upside down. Luxury trucks are no longer a myth. They're here, they're fully evolved, and they come with a hefty price tag. But hold on, before you click away, hear us out. This isn't your typical truck talk. We're not here to rev your engine. Rather, we're going deep into the question, are these high-end beasts really worth their astronomical price tags, or are you just paying for a shiny badge? Let's unpack the sticker shock, the bling, and the bold statements these trucks make and decide if they're actually worth it. Stick around. You might be surprised by what you learn. So what exactly is a luxury truck? Well, it may not be what you're expecting. While some luxury elements have trickled down to more affordable trims, the top-tier offerings from brands like Ram, Ford, and GMC have redefined what it means to be a pickup. Think of the Ram TRX, the Ford F-150 Limited, and the GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. These trucks showcase premium interiors, cutting-edge tech, exclusive powertrains, and enough chrome to make a statement. But don't be fooled. They start well over $70,000 and can easily climb into the mid to high six figures when fully loaded. These high-end trucks share similarities with their less expensive siblings, but there are key differences that set them apart. The Ram TRX, for example, offers a supercharged V8 that delivers 702 horsepower, while the Ford F-150 Limited boasts an all-aluminum body and a twin-turbo V6 that produces 450 horsepower. But why pay 2 to 3 times the price of a base model? To answer that, we need to pull back the curtain on how automakers arrive at those astronomical price tags. Luxury vehicles, including trucks, typically carry a hefty premium compared to their non-luxury counterparts. Now you might be wondering, why exactly do these trucks cost so much? Is it the advanced engineering and development costs, the use of premium materials, or the halo effect that luxury brands often enjoy? When it comes to luxury trucks, it's likely a combination of these factors and more. One way to break down the cost is to consider the research and development expenses. Automakers invest heavily in developing advanced technologies and features that are often standard or available as options on luxury trucks. These features not only enhance the driving experience, but also justify a higher price point. For example, the Ram 1500 TRX's off-road focused suspension, upgraded brakes, and skid plates represent a significant investment in R&D. Similarly, the Ford F-150 Limited's innovative tailgate and available diesel engine options reflect substantial research and development costs. But what about the price difference between a luxury truck and a comparable luxury SUV or sedan? Are they truly in the same ballpark? The Ford F-150 Limited, for instance, starts at around $75,000, while the similarly sized and equipped Lincoln Navigator SUV has a starting price of approximately $80,000. Both vehicles offer luxury amenities, advanced technology, and powerful engines. However, the Navigator has four-wheel drive and can tow up to 8,700 pounds, making it more off-road capable than many luxury sedans. On the other hand, the GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate, priced at nearly $90,000, rivals the Cadillac Escalade, an iconic luxury SUV with a starting price of $80,000. Both vehicles feature spacious cabins, premium materials, and potent engines. But the Escalade has a more car-like ride and offers additional seating options. Now let's shift our focus to the performance and utility aspect. Do these trucks still truck? After all, they boast impressive capabilities when it comes to towing, hauling, and off-roading. The Ram TRX, for example, can tow up to 8,700 pounds and features a payload capacity of over 1,300 pounds. Meanwhile, the Ford F-150 Limited can tow 13,200 pounds, and the GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate can handle 12,000 pounds of towing capacity. However, real-world fuel economy figures tell a different story. The TRX, with its supercharged V8 engine, delivers an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city and 10 miles per gallon on the highway. The F-150 Limited, with its twin-turbo V6, gets an estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. As for practicality, these full-size trucks measure 200 inches or more in length, making them challenging to maneuver in tight urban spaces. Parking in crowded cities can be a nightmare, requiring creative use of parallel parking skills and an abundance of patience. Who is buying these luxury trucks and why? Well, the answer might surprise you. According to a survey conducted by Kelley Blue Book in 2021, nearly half of luxury truck buyers were business owners who used the vehicles for both personal and commercial purposes. Affluent families looking for a versatile vehicle to accommodate their active lifestyles also accounted for a significant portion of sales. Interestingly, about 10% of luxury truck buyers were individuals aged 18 to 34, suggesting that younger generations are increasingly turning to premium trucks as status symbols. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not a luxury truck is worth the price tag is subjective and depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you value luxury, power, and versatility and have the budget to match, then a high-end truck might be the perfect fit. On the other hand, if fuel economy, maneuverability, and practicality are top priorities, you might want to consider alternative options. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth automotive analyses. Have your own thoughts on luxury trucks? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, keep driving, and always seek the truth.